Jua kali in Kenya. The term jua kali translates to hot sun in Swahili. It is a name gotten from the first sheds where artisans and entrepreneurs operated under the scorching sun in open-air spaces or makeshift structures. Jua kali businesses operate outside formal structures, often on roadsides, open markets, or small workshops. Jua kali businesses require minimal capital and infrastructure to start up. Jua kali artisans often create products from recycled materials and use simple, cost-effective techniques to manufacture goods. Many artisans learn their trade through informal apprenticeship rather than formal education. Major jua kali industries in Kenya include metalwork and fabrication, carpentry and woodwork, motor vehicle repairs and parts fabrication, tailoring and textiles, recycling and waste management, agro-processing, construction and masonry, as well as cultural industry. Jua kali industries are mostly located in the following areas. A. Gikomba Market, Kamukunji Ngong Road and Kariobangi in Nairobi. B. Majengo, Likoni, Tudor and Kongowea in Mombasa. C. Kondele, Manyata, Obunga and Nyalenda in Kisumu. D. Shabab, Free Area, Lanet and Industrial Area in Nakuru. E. Tabaka and Darajambili in Kisii. The cultural industry is an important part of the jua kali sector in Kenya. It includes the production and distribution of traditional crafts, artworks and artistic products that reflect the country's rich heritage.